Hi, little chefs. Welcome to Rain and Shine. Today, we are making a quick and tasty Indian snack called Masala Papad. The best part? No stove, no oven, and it's super fun to make. Ready? Let's go. Here's what we need. A ready-made papad, some chopped veggies, onion, tomato, cucumber, a little bit of lemon juice, and some salt and chaat masala. Step 1. First, take your roasted papad and place it on a plate. Look how crispy it is. Step 2. Now, sprinkle the chopped onion, tomato, and cucumber all over the papad. Make sure to spread them evenly so every bite is crunchy and fresh. Step 3. Squeeze a little lemon juice on top for that tangy taste. Yummy! Step 4. Now, sprinkle a little salt and chaat masala to give it some extra flavor. Chaat masala makes everything taste so good. And that's it. Your masala papad is ready to eat. Isn't it colorful and crunchy? It's so crispy, spicy, and full of flavor. And the best part, you made it all by yourself with no cooking at all. Thank you for making this delicious Indian snack with me today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Rain and Shine for more fun, easy recipes. See you next time, little chefs. Bye bye.